Chris, I love you. I choose you today and for all of my tomorrows. You're the calm to my storm, the light when things feel dark. You guide me with your ease of love and acceptance. I promise to grow with you and to protect our love and to always iron your pilot shirt for work. I promise to laugh with you and cry with you and be by your side through everything that life throws at us. But most importantly and above all else, in front of our friends and family as witness, I vow to always choose you for the rest of my life and to always let you go golfing. And I mean it too.
That's pretty good.
Okay, I'm ready.
Chelsea, together we will face all of life's experiences and share one another's dreams and goals. I promise I will be your equal partner in a loving, honest relationship. I promise to talk and to listen, to trust and appreciate you, and to do my best to match your kindness and generosity. I see this not as the first day of our venture together, but the next step I couldn't be more excited for. I could keep going, but in the immortal words of Chandler Bing, when I saw you walking down that aisle, I realized how simple it was. I love you. You are the person I was meant to spend the rest of my life with.
I'm his lobster.